Hello, my young developers. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel, Digitalize the World. In today's lesson, we will be learning how to create the Guess Animal game. So let me show you how it will look like. Perfect. So let's dig in and let's get started, and I'm going to teach you how to create this game. So first of all, we need 3 screens. One will be for the cover page, second one will be to create your game, and the third one will be where you're going to show you win. So first of all, let's create our cover page. So to create the cover page, we need a background. So let's choose any random color. Let's take an orange color. So first of all, I'm going to type the name of my game here. So let's click on this ABC button and let's type guess the animal name. And we will be typing it in a different color. Let's take the purple color. Let's bring a little down. Now, I'm going to create one more heading that says play now. This will be written in red color. And let's make it a little bigger. And let's put this here and this one here. Okay, so when somebody is going to click on my button, so I want to add a button here. I click on the characters and I will be selecting paint option. Let's take a circle and let's draw in green color, bigger circle. Yes, like that. And let's put it inside the same color. Let's say okay. Now we got this button here. So when somebody is going to click on this yellow circle, it will take him or her to the next page where you are going to be adding the picture of the animal, and you will be adding some letters, and you're going to spell out the correct spellings for that specific animal. Okay, the first screen is ready. Now, let's create the third one in which we will say you win. So let's add a background. I'm going to add in green color. Let's take an ABC button here and let's type you win. And let's make it bigger in size. And we will be typing in pink color. Wow, that's look nice. Okay, now first screen is already ready. Second one we have to start with. So first of all, let's do the code in this green button. So when somebody is going to tap on this green button, we first have to add a sound, and then I want that my player should go to the second page. So this is the second page. So it says go to page 2. So see, if I click on this, it takes me to the second page where we haven't done anything yet. Now let's start. So first of all, let's choose our background. So I will be taking yellow color. Go to the customize button and we will be adding a screen where we will be adding the animal, the image of your animal basically. Let's make it in white color and we will draw and oopsies, this is too big. Okay, let's make it and select this outline. Let's drag it all the way here and yeah. Well, I think it's big, or maybe it's okay. Let's keep it like that. This side is good, and let's keep it straight, and this one too. Okay, perfect. We have created a screen here, and now we will be adding some boxes in different colors. Let's take pink color. I will draw a small box here, and we have to draw 4 boxes in one row. So let's take one box. This is the one box. Let's fill it with this pink color, and I'm going to make the clone of it and place it here. And I'll even make a clone of this one again and place it here. This one, shift it here. Let's make one more clone and put that here. Okay, now let's change the colors. Okay, I'm going to make the clones again. And you have to do it like that. So total, how many boxes? 8 boxes. There you go. Let's say, okay, this is the screen of art. Here we will be adding any animal image. So let's go down and see which image should we add. Okay, your animal starts from here. dog, rabbit, and all these animals are there. Like you do have wild animals, you do have some farm animals, you do have sea animals as well. Okay, I think I'm gonna take the dog. Okay, let's put this dog here, and we will be adding in a small size because this dog is too big. Let's put the dog here. Okay, now we will be typing inside the letters. So for the letters, you have to click on these characters, and I have already added the characters. So I'm just going to take random characters. So first of all, I added D. You also can type it. Okay, let me show you how to type one. So for example, I want to type O, right? O is very easy. You can take a circle and with any color you can draw. So let's suppose take this one and we make O. This is very easy. And if you want to make in broader, like with the dark, thick outlining, you can do it like that. Okay. So I don't want it. Anyhow, I'm not going to have this one. So I'm going to delete it. Okay. Let's take O because I've already done it. Then I'm going to take G. Then I'm going to add some more random letters. I'm going to take A. Okay, so A will be placed here. Okay, D will be placed here. H will be placed here. N will be placed here. G will be placed here. O will be placed here. Okay, we need two more. Okay, C. Let's place C here. And last one is R. Okay, so I have added all the letters. Now it's the time to make these letters in bigger size. Stop. You have to click on this button to make your size bigger. I have done it 3 times, so you can also do it 3 times. You have to grow the size of your letters. This is big. Let's make it 1 time smaller. That's okay. And N will get bigger. And 1 time more. There we go. Let's do with H. 1, 2. A. 1, 2. And 1. Then we have to do with C. 1, 2, and 1 more time. Let's put it here. And then R. 1, 2, and that's it. So now students, we will be locking up the positions of all your characters. And let's start with dog. So first we say when clicked, we want to set the positions. And this, we have to add in all your characters. Why? Because we want that all the characters should be logged up into their positions. And that's how we can add the time code. Next is we go to this D, and first of all, we click on this grid window. When you have opened your grid window, you can see where your D is standing and where this dog is standing also. So this dog is at the 12th number here, and this D is at 7. So 12 minus 7 is 5. So when you touch on the D, your D has to go up. How many steps? 5 steps. And then when it goes to the 5 steps, and I think if we go straight, that's okay. We don't have to go back to the left side. Let's just see. If I touch on D, yeah, that's nice. I think we should go with this one. Okay, let's set it back. Next is we have to do the coding in O. So we say when you tap on O, I want my O to go up. How many steps? Now your dog is standing at 12 and this O is at 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So actually it needs 9 steps to go up. But how many steps to go to the left side? Let's see. Okay, now this O is at this position. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 6 steps. Let's see. 6 steps. Okay, let's test it. D and O. Oh no, I think 1 is extra. Okay, let's get it back. Let's say 5. D and O. Yes, that's nice. Now after O comes G. Let's set it back. Now we go inside the G and we have to do the same scripting. We say when touching, like when tapping on G, we want the G to go up. Now how many steps? This G is also starting on 7th position, so 12 minus 7 is 5. But as soon as the G goes there, it has to go on the right side. So how many steps does the G need to go? Okay, let's test it. First we add D, then we add O, and then we need the G to go to the right side. So how many steps does this G need? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our D has to go to the right side with 9 steps. Let's see. Let's test it again. D, O, and G. Wow, that's nice. So this is how we wanted the letters to go. But the question is, what about these A, R, N, and H, and C? What they're doing here? Now, for instance, if somebody doesn't know the spelling and when they click on these letters, they will not go up. They will just show as if we are doing something wrong. So let's go to these letters. Let's say N. In this letter N, when somebody taps on this letter N, it will just show that you have selected a wrong letter and it has to go to the static position. Okay, see, if I click on N, look, this is something that happens. The same coding we have to put inside all the letters which are not a part of these letters which are in dog spellings. So let's say we put the same code in H, in A, C, and R. Now let me show you. So somebody doesn't know the spelling of dog, and instead of D, somebody's typed H. Then what will happen? This is going to happen. If somebody types A, oopsies, this is wrong. If somebody types D, that is correct. If somebody types N, oopsies, wrong. Somebody type O. If somebody click on R, oops, that's wrong. G, that's correct. So this is how we are going to do. But one thing that was missing is the sound inside. When you're going to tap on these letters, each of these letters should have the sound inside. So let's add the sound, and that's the final thing. Like that. Let's add the sound in all of these. All these letters are going to be having the pop sound when you tap on these letters. Okay, all right, so this is not yet completed. We want that when you spell it right, you're going to say, the screen will appear, which will say you win. So how will that happen? So go inside the G and you go in the end block and which says you win. Go to page number 3. As soon as if you spell it right, it's going to show you that you win. Let's see now. Let's click on the green flag. D, O, and G. Yay! So this is how you create your Guess the Animal game. I hope you have understood this game and liked it. Now I want you to practice it. So students, stay tuned with me for my upcoming and very exciting games. Till then, see you. Take care. Bye-bye.